quick one. So we can get right down into that area down on the lower part.
Ready?
Okay, thanks. I saw 2 people come in so far and told both of them
Okay.
we were going to do this. And
Okay,
it's not a
cool.
real fire.
We'll
Somebody
stay here.
wants to let somebody else know. This is our this is our
I'll
director.
do that.
Hi. We were trying to get this done ahead of now, but it's going to happen right now. I just want to let you know I saw 2 other people come through, and we notified them that this was not an actual alarm. Okay?
Thank you.
I don't know if there's that all email thing that can go out or not.
You ready?
Hopefully this won't take around.
It's locked. Those seem to be working. Does he have the key upstairs?
They're not synced, are they?
No, those 2 aren't for sure. None of them are.
I'm getting 85, 88 through those other areas. It's not as piercing as I thought.
Yeah, not either.
You're getting 85, actually. If there's a device in that suite, we're going to be okay.
Yeah,
If there's any noise, any element in there.
because we're looking for what, 60, right?
Yeah, 15 over ambient, and I'm not over 45 for sure. Now, it doesn't keep going back here, but you can certainly hear it. Could we do, yeah, you're getting a stroke. Could I ask a favor to just close the door in here and get a reading with the door closed? 52 inside the office with the door closed. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. Hi. Did they tell you on the way in? Okay, thanks. All right, guys. Thank you, guys.